Hi there, students. Prissy, an adjective. Prissily, the adverb. Prissiness, the noun, I guess. Okay, if you call somebody prissy, you're saying that they care too much about being correct in their behavior, being properly dressed and looking moral and being perfect. Prissy, priggish, straight-laced. I think if you call somebody prissy, you're saying they're overly concerned that everything is perfect and morally right and exactly as it should be. Okay? Overly prim and precise, very finicky. So he's very prissy about my essays. He complains at the slightest mistake. If I've used lined paper instead of just white paper. She dresses incredibly prissily. She's far too prissy to wear jeans. Yeah. She never wears trousers because she's just so prissy. Okay, so prim, proper, excessively affectedly following the social norms and the social rules. Yeah, excessively correct, priggish, prudish, straight-laced, puritanical, prim. The prissy and puritanical heroine of the novel. Okay. Yes, if somebody is prissy, you're criticizing them. You're not admiring them. Yeah, they are concessively concerned with propriety and good form and things being done exactly as they should be. If somebody's prissy, they would never consider cutting corners to get things done. Yeah, they would never wear a short skirt. Yeah, come on, don't be so prissy. Let's sit on the grass and have our food. Yeah, we can't we can't find a table to sit at, so let's just sit on the grass. Yeah, it's not going to shock anyone. So prissy, excessively prim and proper, very particular, very fussy, always behaving perfectly, always perfectly dressed, not the slightest thing out of place, nothing that would be salacious, that might be salacious or suggestive. Okay. So yeah, don't be so prissy. Come on, lighten up. Yeah, prissy people can be very difficult to deal with. Yeah, because things have always got to be exactly perfect, and if they're not, then they get upset. Okay, so that's prissy. They say that prissy is probably an alteration of the word precise, a blend of prim and a sissy. A sissy is somebody who's effeminate, who's easily hurt, or maybe a blend of prim and fussy, and you get the word prissy. So, how formal is the word prissy? I'd give it, I think, a 6 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation quite happily. It's ever so slightly literary, but prissy, use it just about anywhere. Yeah. So maybe a grammar Nazi is very prissy about your grammar being absolutely perfect, whereas I think effective communication is the most important thing, and it's not so necessary to be prissy about grammar. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Prissy.